Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. We're gonna open some Vivid Voltage today.
Yeah!
Santa sprinkled some good luck. We didn't open this yesterday. We're gonna open it today and hopefully we get that rainbow Pikachu. Rainbear. Yeah, rainbow Pikachu. So let's get into it. Wish us luck.
You ready to pull it?
I'm so scared. I'm so tired of buying these.
You're not the only one. So Vaporeon.
Just
Jirachi!
oh, sweet. This is what we needed.
Merry
Look at how bad the centering is, though. Like,
Oh, now I see that
miscut cards like this. It's not.
Hi,
It's,
Grammy.
it's called an error card.
Error.
Like they made a print error, which sometimes print errors are.
Valuable or less valuable?
Depends on who you ask.
It depends
Like,
on who wants it.
if
Sometimes a mistake is and it makes it rare.
yeah, and that's why there are people that want that. Generally, people don't like it, but there are groups of people who do like that stuff, and you can sell that stuff to them.
We got a Jirachi though. I guess the Christmas luck was on their side.
We needed them, though. We needed them.
And I watch it all the time.
Depending.
We are messing with witchcraft. Yes, she did. Pokemon is a gateway to the dark side.
Who said that?
The lady in the post on Instagram. You guys go check that out, okay?
I
you
did.
know,
What was that?
decorating the shack with Ethan.
We're on Instagram.
Oh wait, no. It was on Matt Briggs 84. That's where she
it was on your
commented
Facebook.
when I posted the Charizard
So what
from
was she trying to say?
Evolution.
that we were messing with witchcraft.
I didn't read that.
Well, it's there. I read it.
What she said though was really confusing, and I was like, why is she talking about religion right now?
See, that's the whole point I made to Matthew. Is that
This is a game.
that what she said may be accurate, truth,
Last.
but it doesn't apply here.
Right.
So is she
Right.
gonna-
What she said, I was like, what does that have to do with this?
Yeah,
I was
she
very
should-
confused
She should
on.
have just not said anything, but Matthew can actually go back on there, Matthew, and delete her comments.
Yeah, it's all right. I still like what I told her.
No.
Get out of here with that nonsense.
But it's not
She hasn't-
nonsense.
It is
It
on,
just doesn't apply.
so it's nonsense to that post. If I had put a biblical post up and shit, that's perfectly acceptable. This is Pokemon. We believe in the devil.
Matthew
You
Briggs.
delete that. You should-
Well, if you believe in God, you do believe in the other one, but you don't like him.
Yep. There is no good without bad.
That's,
There is no
some
light
people
without
that
dark.
believe there is not that. One or the other.
Well, that's why we're not those people.
Yeah.
This is you.
That's why they're not your
Just that's
people.
Like, that's why it bothers me when people say if you don't believe in God, then you worship the devil. I'm like, if you don't believe in God, you don't believe in the devil either, silly. They're in the same.
I think I see
Sorry.
a V card back there.
X.
Come on, man.
Zero. Cargo. Nessa.
That sounds like
Bakura.
murder.
I
Whismer.
was gonna say.
Trubbish. Tino.
Clobbopus.
Clobbopus. Rocky Helmet.
Oh, Beetle D-Max. I got that one
Hey, Charlie,
again.
Our little man.
And we're gonna have to keep looking.
Oh!
Jesus, how many times am I gonna get every Pikachu but the one I need? Every time. I get all the other versions. Alright guys, well, we had an okay showing. Orbeez VMAX, Jirachi Amazing Rare, and Boo Pikachu. Not the one we're looking for. We thought Christmas was going to be good. Santa dropped little boo-boo sprinkles on our boxes. So, we're going to have to find our own luck. See you next time. Wish us luck on our next opening. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a Merry Christmas.
Have a Merry Christmas.